Has Academy channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the importance of journaling. What is journaling? Journaling means writing down all your thoughts into a form of a paper where you can keep referring and reviewing and reforming yourself based on that. So, are you ready to journal today? And what is that you want to journal today? Stay tuned for more videos on journaling, and as of now, post in the comment section below on what is that key thing you want to start journaling on. Wishing you happiness and success. I hope today's video will help you ignite your day today, and please remember to share your experiences in the comment box below and also subscribe to our channel so that you are getting regular update from us. This is Dr. Poorani, founder of Happiness and Success Academy, and I'm a happiness and success coach. So far, we have transformed the lives of at least 45,000 people through our training, coaching, mentoring and counseling, and we are on a mission to ignite millions and millions of lives of people to ensure that they take their first step and move towards their life of happiness and success that they truly deserve.